ladies! Welcome to the channel. I'm Marcella and I'm so happy to have you here with me. Today's video is all about one of my favorite colors, red. I'll be sharing some amazing tips on how to wear this bold and powerful color in your everyday outfits and totally rock your style. Make sure to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you never miss out on new content. I really hope you enjoy these tips and get inspired. Are you ready? Let's get started. The red dress at the cafe adds a unique charm to your everyday look. The sporty red outfit brings energy and style outdoors. The red blazer at the office brings confidence and sophistication. For the night, the red dress means elegance and presence. A red jacket in winter warms up your style with flair. On a date, red brings a passionate touch to your look. At the airport, the red shirt keeps you stylish and practical. The red jumpsuit shows personality on the city streets. The red sweater is just perfect for a cozy and charming look. Red shorts on the beach add a light and vibrant touch. The red bikini highlights your tan and exudes attitude at the beach. The red floral dress in the field brings softness and freshness. The red coat brightens up your look on autumn days. At the museum, the red outfit elevates your style with class. The red set on the rooftop is pure glam at sunset. The red dress in the garden inspires romance and lightness. The red baby doll blends comfort with a touch of seduction for the night. Red works in every season and suits any look or style. I hope these tips were helpful. I'll always be bringing you more advice on health, beauty, and lifestyle. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends and family. See you next time. Love ya.